Good evening, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to help you get familiar with the home section in Microsoft Excel. So this is just kind of an overview of what's in the home section, what you'll find here, so you know what tabs to click on when you need stuff. So first off, the home section is kind of like your word processor. This is where you can cut, copy, and paste, just like you're used to in word processors. Like if I want to cut that, I can cut it. If I want to copy it, I can copy it. If I want to paste it, I can paste it. Okay. Another way to cut is to click on it and delete. All right, so that's what you'll get here. You can format things here. Format. Okay, you can bold it, underline it. Right here, italicize it, underline it, change the font to whatever you want. You can double click and delete words, edit cells. You can fill the cell with a different color. You can change the color of the font. You can make the letters bigger or smaller, or you can do that right here, okay, or smaller. You can left justify, center justify, right justify. Basically just basic formatting stuff. Where in the cell do you want it to show up? Okay. Put it at an angle if you choose to. Like where people like to have names at the top. You can do that right here. Kind of cool. I actually never knew about this one. Okay. You can indent, undo the indent. You can write a new paragraph. You can wrap the text. What is wrap text? Let's say we have a lot of text, okay? Let's type a bunch of stuff. Rather than having it spill over into the other cells, I can click wrap text, and it wraps it all into one cell. All right, that's what wrap text does. What else? Merge and center. Okay, let's say I select multiple cells. I can merge. 1 second. Let me just undo some formatting here. All right. So I can select multiple cells like this, and I can click merge, and that merges them into one big cell. Merge and center. Or you can just merge across, merge cells, unmerge cells, Command Z, all that stuff. This is for formatting numbers. Let's say I have a number right here. I can format it as dollars. I can format it as percent. By the way, if you do that after you've typed it, it screws it all up. So if you wanted it to be like 5%, you would change it to percent first. I can format it in English. I can do more accounting formats right in here, time, percentage, fraction. Conditional formatting, what is this? Okay, so conditional formatting is kind of cool. Let me think of a good example. Okay, let's say you're dealing with revenue. All right, let's get rid of this because this is really long. All right, let's say you're dealing with revenue here. All right, we're dealing with revenue right here. We got negative $100. We've got positive $500. We've got negative $62. We've got $0, okay? All these different dollar amounts. Now let's select them and let's format them as dollars first off, okay? And then let's do conditional formatting. So this is what conditional formatting is. I select conditional formatting and I choose what I want it to do. So basically what I'm saying, if the cell is greater than 0, let's make it green so we know it's making us money. Cell value greater than 0, format it with a green fill. Click OK. Okay. So you'll see all the ones that are positive, that are making us money, they went green. Now let's add another conditional formatting. Less than 0. We're going to make it red. Right there. Okay. So all the ones that are losing us money are red. That's what conditional formatting does. You can set, there's all kinds of parameters you can set. Okay. If you want to format something as a table like this, select what you want to turn into a table and click Format as a Table. And that will turn this into a table that I can deselect what shows up in it. I can change the ascending order. I've got full tutorials on how to use that, but that's what that feature does. All right, what else is here? Back to home. Insert, delete, format, auto sum. I did stuff about that. If I want to add up everything that's in this column, auto sum. Now I'll add it up. Again, watch my tutorials. The playlist is in this description. Check those out for more detail. And that's pretty much it. Sort or filter would be like, let's undo this chart. Undo this table real quick. What's the table? That's the table. This is how you undo a table, convert it to a range. Okay, so let's say I want to sort this row alphabetically. I'll select that, and I can choose sort A to Z. And that'll sort all the names alphabetically. Okay, that is how you do sort and fill. Find and select. Maybe you need to replace a certain word. Maybe I need to find all the Amy's on here. Let's see how many Amy's are on this sheet. I can do Amy, find all, and it will show me all the cells that have the name Amy. Maybe I want to replace Amy with something. Find all the cells that say Amy and say sweet buns. Okay, that's my wife. I can say that. Okay, that's not sexual harassment. That's my wife. I can say sweet buns. That's what I call her. Okay, term of endearment. Don't be going off on me in the comment section. All right, so that's the find and replace feature. You'll find that right here. And here's some other more advanced things you can use that I don't know that much about, to be honest. I never use these. Okay, that's pretty much it for the home section. In the next tutorial, check it out, and I'll do an overview of the insert section. All right, please subscribe to Teach Mom How, and we'll talk to you in the next video.